Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to make the parenthization program in Lua. So here we just implement stacks and we create a new data structure called parenthesis, which has key terms and values. So the opening parenthesis is a string and the closing parenthesis is its value, and the opening square bracket is the key and the closing square bracket is the value. In this loop we will create a variable which will take the substring of the uh, of I and the ith value in the sequence. And here if we will check if there is a opening parenthesis or an opening square bracket, it will insert into the stack the character. If not, else if it is a closing parenthesis or a closing square bracket, it will enter these conditional statements. Here it will check if the length of the stack is equal to 0, that if there is no opening parenthesis which is not inserted into the stack and we enter a closed parenthesis, it will return incorrect, and same for the square bracket too. In the last underscore open, it is a variable which has the value table dot remove stack, just like how we did in palindrome.lua. Here we are checking if parenthesis of last open is not equal to character, then it will return incorrect dot I, which will show the position of the error of in the sequence. So same in the empty, if it is an empty stack. After this for loop we have we have one conditional which will check if hashtag stack is greater than 0, then return incorrect dot hashtag stack, and then we have the return correct. So now I'll do file parenthization dot lua, and if I take correct is equal correct of, so this is opening parenthesis, and then we have a square bracket, another square bracket, another closing parenthesis. um, so don't forget to put the quotation marks. Here I had just forgotten to put the quotation marks. mm. So if I now hit enter, it will show correct. So I by mistake I put the extra curly braces. So what if I just put an extra square bracket and another parenthesis and hit enter? It shows incorrect 6. I just forgot to put the space here and here. So incorrect 6, here 6 means the position of the stack. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this closing parenthesis was the error. It should have been a square bracket, so it'll show correct. And what if I just give nothing? It shows correct. It behaves similar to the palindromic sequence. And if I just give a single opening parenthesis, it shows incorrect because it expected an closing parenthesis. So later on I'll explain how to find the smaller number in the entire stack in Lua. Thank you.